100.5 The morning.
Yeah. And I cannot Peter Texan.
Yes.
And I 12 years ago, say I fire come home. Into me, I am cautiously optimistic. Send an AB a bit to me, but Emra, Fufian to I see Pope at 88, and I'll call. Once I Pope, my can of one semda.
Yeah.
Lumba born, you was sending that so movie, and a Pope no a bouncer. Bouncer or nightclub.
There's a nightclub chile.
Now, that's an only a bouncer. Don't know just or Barry, Utui, would the Quaby, and I'm a friend, and I will be the head of the room.
So when you bouncer, Mamia would see me. Did not put in St. Kaibia Vienna nightclub.
Yes.
Obekonone Kira V. Obekonone Machuman. Or sure, but no, who's a womoku no cry and your fan no apamo. And I said, the way we see a shaky wotono and said, no apamo.
Yes.
Sana na or your pope ya, you who know.
Yes.
Nejumana or your panono.
Yes, Nana. Or 12 years ago, they declared he's a pope of Argentina.
Okay.
It's Nana dance a bit of a background about. But I'm for baby, no one say how is a pope appointed. Me a meet na minim ba Jazeera the article bi abent me no beche.
Okay.
And I'm say be pope ye free be a friend the College of Cardinals. Once na say Peter Texan no ye Archbishop of Cape Coast. I think Ghana you 4 archbishops Takrade no not Takrade Accra Kumasi Cape Coast ne Tamale.
Yeah.
And I man mu say cardinal na Roma assume no Matthias say ye bo cardinal so called Vatican City wo Italy na ko di uduma. It's an Pope John Paul 2003 and a friend is a cardinal. And then I Ghana near say what cardinal level bit me di pope or back up. Your friend a cardinal Peter Texan.
Oh yeah, Ghana ni.
Na almost say to be eligible a candidate must be baptized. It is over the president, so the pope eligibility no one you must be baptized.
Your boss
male Roman Catholic nurse or bar any pope.
Insanity.
Almost say male Roman Catholic. Though for centuries, the cardinal has extensively selected someone from their ranks. Now, a cardinal, now ya bo mudino muna Vatican or mumuba kone ba be pope no. And almost say there are currently more than 240 cardinals worldwide.
There's a infant Keba University. Answer now be vice chancellor no. Just say, oh, you're a professor in good standing.
Yes.
So you're a doctor, untimi. Just say a
professor full professor, associate for Krenkaho.
Okay.
It's a full professor, Nimuba, and you be you know be VC. It's a cardinal, no, your body a cardinal for life. Your pope and Abba be pope, no. Sankufuni Muba, Koni be you know be pope. And also the cardinal below the age of 80. A bra pope ni no. Wa we below 80 biano nana o qualify.
Okay.
Enti no mo ye ne so mo ba ko se dan bi mu. Sane outside influence dey be to mu mu ase dan mu. Nana e wono no mfre no the conclave. No mo frɛ chapel bi the Sistine Chapel. To be to mu ase na no makoto sa aba no. O say while the number of Papal electors is typically capped at 120. There are currently 138 eligible voters.
Right.
Or see mostly come on 12 and I know 120, but currently eligible no 138. Now no say 8 members cast their vote via secret ballot. Only encouragement and another to a cardinal etuma way portfolio cardinal tuma we there be nyomu ye bia na secret ballot.
Is it phone in your cry?
Yes. Nana because someone him say outside. Nana said drug cartels near the better influence. Ye fa we mra any ade no. Into omu tu omu kosha sa chapel wa. Outside influence be a man.
There's a delegate assembly.
Yes. Even a no video be na no say fair the no me mass. Na ma take you out I swear say nya ebe course wo ha bia na ye monko am ntemasem. And then no say typically nka 120 na eto. But according to Al Jazeera no mo be eligible now no. 138 voters
because ebia bro 80.
Yes.
Or a cardinal dey ba wa
bro 80 on we film. And no say a 2/3 majority is traditionally required to select the new pope. And then as some say 138 mamenya me calculator ma 2/3 just say 2 divided by 3 times 138. Nessa na pope benya 92 vote or a pope. Some say 2/3 just say any pa 138 no chemu miensa baby a 2 beko no say any pa ni be ni say the next pope.
They also timinya from 92 ekono.
Yes, nana ana so when 92 ye beto akosi se omu benya sa 92 no. Ye bo mo mahunu se nana ye wa bontin ye behunu se Vatican City wono mo to aba na wusie bi ebekoso. Wusie ni ye blacker e kire se omu nya 2/3 no. Se wusie ni pie na ye white a kire se ye yi pope.
Now when you myth ye Susan unim de na ye te ase wo sa wusie no ho. Na ye Susan ni omu ma ye ka se omu kohye dem ho no mu bompaya no mu didi ni kwa. Na de osoro abofo ni ba beyi no no. Se we nye obi a no osoro abofo no de wusie tutum eko. Na se obofo no de na se wusie white. Enti e bia Eugene na Janto Jeff. Ye bo ho mpaya na obofo na be ka se me pe Eugene. Na se white no aba.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Sa na ye te ase se.
Na we do almost say ye omu tu bia ye tradition bi. Unsa na say the Catholic church no omo ito some culture some conventions one should ya teja be ka say abosomsem but na Christianity nso wo ne de se na nananom wo mo de no and na ntu hu se wusie no black na e che se ye nya two tests no e ye white and ye nya two tests no
na se ntiase ne se wonum na e de black no say ye nya e bia nka wo se Kenya 92 ba ya to ye nya bia 80
yes
nti 80 no ye de gu enwusie ni mu a ye de bibia e beba black na say wo achire ho
na to also to inform the public say e dem one e hye bibia nko so e wie na ye wie but na no san ka bia ajeju article ni say after each round the ballots are burned with chemicals producing either black or white na smoke na nya bofo e chemicals to preserve the cultural sanctity of ade anything no umeye hunhu kaka
obofo ne the black say la yenya po
na ese ka se enko yinam Tuesday bibi enyawo ba na ekire ne se enam na besa e be deplete
say kura de say China form ye hu say we call Tuesday hwinsi
na sa na chom the chemicals na ye na na mo say do a process we mean chire bebre ana de technical kaka ba na top candidate na aba so far no ye frobi Cardinal Peter Edo ono free hungry na no so ono so ni dia ba mu pa ono no mostly anom ni pope na ono free Eastern European one no Christian no and another leading candidate so by Cardinal Petro Parolin ono so gum ana Ghana ye de na Cardinal Peter Texan na again no so Cardinal Louis Bagri omudin mutiam fenchem na Cardinal Zuppi ana Cardinal Mario Greek banana Zuppi no Italian no na for say wo hwe bia Vatican City wo hwe the history of the Roman Church e bia be kono wo banana ye frɛ Cardinal bi so Sarah onu so free I think Gambia onu so ya African onya enya me wawa it's na se na bompa say Cardinal Peter Pia Tex na brand ho ase nice man over the 70s to qualify qualification bi bia de qualify ye bompa say Africa na national voting pattern na me hu ye na Africa voting just I think about 29 or so Europe for ne do so it's na I say Africa ni be so host World Cup no eden on paper there vote na eden but na South Africa kire say e betimi esi e bia e benya bia certain historical narrative bia na nkesi na be boa because imagine say the Pope free Ghana one the head of the Roman Church na a big news for Ghana.
I think in Batoba Facebook I did tour Eugene Osei-Tutu were around the attendance say Roman esumno a huge into issue no can but the reality is that they said they can kebenya nanke Ghana ni but the challenge right now is that still na brofun racism wom Italy hono racism wom Roman Catholic sum no racism wom even bibinini abrofo ye wo abrofo presby before any abrofo I can say before presby usia hu se difference wom enti Roman so ye popa the way I see sum no uye nyame on earth and it is very difficult for a white man basically to be bowing to a black man into dynamics no ebe me wanwa so me o ma dwen say omo de ma bibini
na make an official voting block na any Asia ye disadvantaged but nana in sometimes to nana say history sometimes the church can also sit and say that we need to purge ourselves of certain misconceptions nana say Catholic we are strong no do some 1.4 billion 1.4 billion so they are very key nana Pope we osha and mostly to nana now another consideration be how the Pope na wabe cardinal and the history the way we view social justice gender issues a man in kola hunsem LGBT na say Pope we no na so oye form kakra or ye liberal kakra when it comes to LGBT in semono. Na Catholics be bro mo bon your so ne sa na manema no. So na all that consideration, you know, ebebem. Again, maka sometimes church bet me ka say we die enye ye norm enya de aye tie but e be betimi aye. And I'm told say in the history of the Catholic black and as a pope some more black history and a black background. Yes, be of Africa, but black background. It is not totally say so munya black that. But na Cardinal Peter Piata ni me kind on so chere na almost schools be a war cry no dano or almost penasem. Because now why cardinal for almost 20 years. To a 2003, they are now 22 years to a bing or experience. And then I think that's almost the manner. Yeah, dear, a bebwa for the optics, you know, and a bebwa. No, at least Gani more you do kakra.
But one of the things I miss free say a debi bini kusi baby no. Answer na ye debe mano. Near who's a wild journey to say you.
Yes. And
the air capital appear texting no say Ninsa Campona. Ye be man journey to say Romuni, if man adjune to say Pope, if man adjune because just like Obama, some people expect to say Obama dear and Kenny Africa, but we realize that Obama not adjune to say American, or those who are because who free Ghana. For me, I think say I did be why bit me every Roman California. One, they don't waste time.
Yes.
They are disciplined.
Yes. Now exclusive pictures crab is something not to adakem. Say papa no kono tro so a simple coffin. In something not to adakem officially the Vatican press na release a picture no adakem simple na near 2x4 bi no mabo no dem.
Omuni me ye crowd.
Baby bia na ne dan no so no no ko tum. Mun say into me yes and the history na sorry yes sorry the hospital yare bia bi wo ho na cardinals e bi nsa hawom be video na me hwe no enti na obi betimi akofa bibi wo na they can tamper with the will tena no obi say dent no mo koto ba bi a pope no da no two things
to Facebook I think say no so capture
it is to prevent pilfering say obi ba ko yi ni bibi agudie bi na bibi bi e wo ho bi ana bi na will no ye no. In the history of the they wanted to prevent say be back tamper with ne will say be a wu say na yen fenyen and back tamper sa na antino na a process on be again last process man can when say white we see ne bar ubehu asa papa bi pie free baby a mostly pope ni pie free no be man the first speech as pope and no be a train but na minim say ye de minim say ye ni be wi ansa no ma ye we na na say
no ye ni be wi
okay
omunye wi a afi na chese omu oyeyi in fact o men na omesa on say omesa sie no wo Vatican ho a
yes o ye fa no kwa Argentina
yeah omu wo ba bia omu koye nkunya no sentine ka say ya no mu ya baifo no
yes
nti Pope Francis ni John Paul ni omu nyina wo ho bi
yes
na nyoma nso ya de wo omu nti de omu pro
yes and nana unim say me nana those things na me hu say it is necessary to preserve the sanctity of the church. And as they say, about me shatter the brazier chromo be no sorry. You may think it's normal, liberalization, but you see, Nana, the reason why Europe when are no, Saha near Manutin preserving is that Nana common sense yejuma. Yeah, I'm saying ye be aboson some. But Nana Yankans when you read about the history of the church. The history of the church, pick certain traditions. And then I didn't know two for gunsa. I have nothing to do for gunsa. But so far, so any baby, I say yes, no, run as you have for Nase. Yeah. But you're so for me because I have bosom. But yes, or run as you have for Nas or Bible, or catch it. Yeah. But so for your case, I have bosom. That me, I have no issue with a religion or a culture preserving it. Then I mean, your man come here, actually, boo and come off and take a crack. Use a chemical so much reason, because both will be a DJB. Oh, now my but I think said I'm sure say a Pope way no person or money Libra. Yes. Said the be attractive. Yes. Because say you to ya be say obusa questions bebre na won kan kire na obejai. Yes. Because you to name pay ade be hunu. Yes. Psychologically. But na you cheche bebre nso a ana nonsense so for be mu okoye nchechire obi buzan say even Abraham aware na je aware no even Adam aware na je two Eve Eve tin sana Abraham the buy Adam the buy so sometimes do church me bra na but I think it's a beautiful thing and we must learn from the Roman Catholic Church. It's beautiful. And no more already I first at the Pentecost Church the one we on the man it's a beautiful process and I'm alive to having a many say Pope John Paul na me swakaka.
Oh, okay.
Now just about 18 years. After na me the full process no. And I think say it's a very
I think so one of the issues na omoni we problem ne say oba no ogonio memu dodo.
Yes.
They feel say enom feel say ade bi wo ho a enye yesum no. But you see Pope nso ba ye no de na wo so no Benedict no.
Yeah.
Ono no nso behwe ma Roman Catholic ne na fathers na ewo Vatican ho no.
Yeah, there are many allegations.
Ebi fan crofon ne to. What they say? Ebi ni crofon kran ketwa no. Omo ye mass service ne ye nyoma bebre. Sexual harassment and all those kind of stuff happening. Yeah. Enti ade a na tarnish the image of. Yeah. Enti minim say mre bi kra propose say fathers metimi aware amon ware.
Yes, Nana, I think some kai bibi sa. And nothing no ya na controversial pan so ka South Sudan bra no moto ntokwa se server key. Okisi ono koto yo pope no. No ko kisi akwa mpabo anase. To broker peace. E ade anamanfo webrebo no so say ono pope aba sa level no. But na no kwanso on the president ma mo picture. Ono the time mo obi anase nana onsem.
Debi.
Okko honkwa no wo a obetia. Nana even I'm told to say there's a Ghanaian Ghanaian politician be or na no na de ne court to the Vatican.
Oh yes, or a deep person or a simple person.
Tu sha no papa bi ase o ye laser phenomenon for penance and baby so just say ebroso saying. They want to protect the sanctity of traditions and
but protect you see you want to maintain one say saying as we speak Roman Catholic, Presby, Methodist, omu lusu omu membership.
Yes.
Because of a nyoma bia ekoso. Enti makati say you to know say when to me and nyoma ni bi wo na one year very active. Lusu.
Yeah.
Because ebi am Roman Catholic now we see ushi incense. The entina ushi incense. Ma minti ase.
Yeah.
What is the Bible principle of say ushi incense?
Yeah.
Odi ase. Me minim sa nyoma no incense candle, red candle, blue candle. Mesia one de me yen adwuma. Minim how it does and the connection to it. Odi ase but ebi you so no abosomsem kwan so. But so okoto so obi use red candle na blue candle ne na se fo ebi a wonti ase. But there's a purpose.
Yeah.
For example, why is it that ebi a okogia hospital no omu use the color blue and green? There's a reason.
Yeah.
Enya kwa. Why is it say doctors for sign no represent a snake na a sign cross no so no.
Yeah.
There's a symbol. There's a reason for that. Enya kwa.
Yeah, in fact, your kind is backed by data. We share 2010 housing and population census. After 2021 housing and population census now. Catholic church, on population, the percentage net bar from. You can see those numbers increasing at the Pentecost one. One man churches will be a one. It tells you that move through and answer the Methodist church. You can clearly see that in a Pentecost, one of the apostles Apostle Pokunina.
Yeah.
Now this PIWC system nearby no ye modukuduku and no to me no master and an baby a funny syncondra singing choreography drama. There's so much to be sa Pentecost church to me choreographs our time now one man to boduku a church obesa David
make up crowd you be
PIWC and who so more dear no and no Sunday has syncondra so they like Apostle Pokunina for that. So this is just data. The Pentecost church, and SR churches, they are growing in number. They can see that the Catholics are reducing. So they need to find a way to maybe make the church more appealing to the youth and get them.
Exactly.
Because the typical youth now, everyone will take Kirk Franklin. Oh, no, Kofi Abraham ni bibia. Oni anamreku ni connection bi o ba bia e dey Kirk Franklin bi brother Sami kakra do metal mo na do metal mo nyom no the typical Pentecost no nte ye PIWC na abete so it's even doctors into even business bia you need to always find a way to make yourself relevant because nana options nana baby abefebesi asore wo ho enti dey na be ma say nipa na basa wasore so they need to be somewhere they need to reinvent themselves to appeal but nana still asore ameme kondo from afar they want you no they want protecting the Roman Catholic
Church. Yeah, very
it's deep. A very nana me call it out the bishop dago kan also show no bia nka senti the Pentecost church nana also what that church na Pentecost ye ba twede what be uti be na hin say apostle so pan we dey court ni ade there be a buy a makion book ni enko famra
ni enhwe de na etie
and that's why it's the fastest growing church nana bedu baby Pentecost be determine obedi president it is influential covered Nana because they've been able to preserve the sanctity of the church.
And so mo allow ye Professor Onyina e sha ase no na ebi nti ase.
Yeah.
Because mun just Pentecost the ni kwanso you say Pentecost the say Pentecost any say na hye Pentecost o dey say but on man mabunu no nya kwan no
yes
o man hu say e group na ukọ presbya presby ni methodist no emre bi sa issue ni by and then we were saying say enkra yi ba ha mu kwan me one of the things that they be ameka say mami ja yenya so presby no because yenya so presby no youth no just say role be na be kwa play be I see youth day and say children's day but I am mpanyimfo day ya any hymns ya beto ana wo day what do you say but a drew baby nanse oko presby na say for ma say ton so ne mpai bokese nyina they've started because they've realized that if we come here and preach in here a GD for be sorry aka amina I want to go to a pastor or your youth obetimi preach dey no ho roll it down
nanse komo here Pentecost ya okay omo here Pentecost breakfast meeting bi ahu ya local government minister kan MP for Banda one educhu no mo sabi so nana it is strategic and also that's why I always say that even in governance you must always have thinkers obi anana no tie kire President John Mahama nimza we no on peme downfall party nimza wo nya MPP ni or think about bibi ekosubia no the innovation say ba we need to have that even as a country because nana o hwe Pentecost church niam omo ya nana de ahwe pa o de even kra o ba hwe Pentecost church aso fere kakra o de study as a Roman Catholic as all Baswoma nana Roman Catholic church afem in their history nana sorry bi ankagu so it tells you that there's a lot of vibrancy, but what I agree with you that they need to reinvent the wheel from a chile. Na ye chile no be no your consi ebeba because na say you from pasa, omo penum style bi, omo pe hairstyle bi. Na me meeting and say me rasta kakra feedback e makutwa so kakra. So but I don't trust any pano rasta, I don't trust on pen kwaje, but the appearance and has nothing to do with them kwaje. So the church must come to that recognition say youth finish the doors. We form about 60 to 70% of Ghana's population. And 2% was sorry near. Whatever you are doing, now say Prophet Gideon dance so the encounter church. Now if you feel good. Now if you feel the Bishop Daggett, independence cannot present my America. You fun because I want to be sat into yamu rapi Christopher and say you a rap or bow benya baby or passa or benya baby ako.
Here presby.
Yes.
Mekai be your board drums. Boka krebia eye. Just a mebru na ni abro musa no. Eye mreko. But who be a baby or what? Yes. Yebe mo dia sana preaching kra won preach. And to me we no me feel fine. And no you from bana watch to feast and I shall push kid ke no banana. When who's away in society. Anya sorry na be ka kire wo. Anti bi enyina wa o be ka kire say baba ye no say you know as you come. As a wo bano. As a wo banana then you are changing. You are changing. Na na answer wo ye okwadwuma bi ma. Na na okwadwuma bi obi an hye suit ne tie. See, oh, the baby are just one day. We make see today. No, mommy shebi. It works. Now, no one will be a co bank or touch a t-shirt and la course where you be there. There be a human man. A human abe sachau. That's what the church must do. In 104.5, Ebusami baby lines so na ya twetwen komo. Ewia, I have a special gift for you. Akwenya aba se obetimi esua de. Enche yene omobetwetwe enkomo. But talking about that, one of the issues, say the issue of galamsey. Na galamsey issues nso the tiene say a contaminant in a yechema won to media no. Aban